If you rely on a 3.5mm AUX connection for your audio devices, having the right extension cable can make all the difference. This cable extends your existing 3.5mm connection seamlessly, whether you're connecting your smartphone, tablet, headphones, or car stereo. It's designed to keep your audio crisp and clear, no matter the device. What sets this extension cable apart is its fully molded connectors. These connectors aren't just about durability, they provide excellent strain relief, which means less wear and tear over time. The nickel-plated contacts guarantee superior connectivity, ensuring your audio signals stay strong and consistent for a long-lasting performance. The cable's flexible jacket is another thoughtful feature. It's built to bend and flex without damaging the internal audio lines. This flexibility makes it easy to route the cable through tight spaces, like behind desks or entertainment centers, without worrying about kinks or breaks that could disrupt your sound. Compatibility is key when it comes to audio accessories, and this extension cable covers a wide range of devices. Whether you have an iPad, iPhone, iPod, Samsung smartphone or tablet, Microsoft Surface, or a laptop from HP, Lenovo, Dell, Apple, or Asus, this cable will fit right in. If your device has a 3.5mm stereo audio port, you're good to go. The packaging reflects the quality inside. Each cable comes in C2G branded packaging, which ensures you're receiving a genuine product that meets high standards. This attention to detail means you can trust the cable to perform as promised, right out of the box. One user from the United States praised the cable for its sound quality and value. They used it to connect their Logitech speaker system and headset, appreciating how it simplified their setup. Instead of juggling plugs and jacks, the extension made their gaming and online communication smoother and clearer. Sound quality matters, especially when you're chatting with loved ones or participating in important Zoom calls. According to this review, the cable's audio clarity was so good it felt like the granddaughter was right there in the room. That kind of experience highlights why investing in a reliable extension cable is worth it. For anyone working from home, attending virtual meetings, or gaming online, this cable offers a practical solution to common connectivity hassles. It keeps your setup organized and your audio signals intact, so you don't miss a beat during calls or gameplay. The nickel-plated connectors not only enhance connectivity but also resist corrosion. This means the cable stays reliable even after months of daily use, saving you from frequent replacements and interruptions in your audio experience. Its slim and flexible design also means you can easily store or carry it without tangling. Whether you're moving between rooms or traveling, this cable adapts to your lifestyle without adding bulk or complexity. If you've ever struggled with short or hard-to-reach audio ports, this extension cable solves that problem effortlessly. It gives you the extra length you need without compromising on sound quality or durability. Worth a look if you want to upgrade your audio connections without fuss. The combination of flexible design, durable connectors, and broad compatibility makes it a smart addition to any tech setup. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free audio extension. Whether for work, play, or casual listening, this cable ensures your devices stay connected with clear, reliable sound. In summary, this 3.5mm AUX extension cable offers more than just extra length. It delivers peace of mind through durable construction, superior sound quality, and compatibility across popular devices. That's what you get when you choose a product designed with both performance and convenience in mind. Don't let limited cable length hold you back. Extend your audio connection easily and enjoy the difference in sound clarity and setup flexibility. It's a small upgrade that makes a noticeable impact. If that's you, Someone who values clear audio and a tidy setup, this extension cable deserves your attention. It fits naturally into your daily tech routine, supporting everything from casual music listening to professional calls. Keep your audio connections strong and your workspace neat. This cable helps you avoid the frustration of unplugging and replugging devices, making your digital life smoother and more enjoyable. Take the next step toward better audio connectivity. Adding this 3.5mm AUX extension cable to your gear means fewer interruptions and more seamless sound wherever you need it. Make your audio setup work for you, not the other way around. This cable is a simple, reliable tool that enhances your device compatibility and sound quality without adding complexity.